This is Cindy Nanke with Universal Tech for Learning, and this video is going to be a demonstration of assistive technology apps for word prediction, text-to-speech, and customized keyboards. There are a number of excellent apps available for word prediction, including Abilipad, Co-Writer by Don Johnston, iWordQ, I Read and Write by Text Help, Typo, and App Writer. Word prediction is beneficial for students with spelling difficulties. It helps to increase quantity and accuracy of writing. It also assists students with physical disabilities by decreasing keystrokes. It's easy to use, requires minimal instruction. Many of the programs offer phonetic spelling, auditory text-to-speech feedback, and topic dictionaries. Some of the programs offer predict ahead, and word prediction helps build students' confidence and self-esteem in their writing ability. I'm going to show you Abilipad. Abilipad offers word prediction, customized keyboards, and text-to-speech. Now, the first thing I want to point out on the home screen when we go into word prediction is under the I icon for information. They offer much more in-depth video tutorials and their user manual. This video is meant to be an overview. So we have two options when we go into Abilipad, and that is the notepads and creating the custom keyboards. So I'm going to open up a notepad. Gives us our text entry window and a keyboard. Now when I start typing a letter, the word prediction list comes up. Now I want to write, my name is Cindy. So by typing the letter M, my, I don't see the word name, so I'll type N, A, name, and it has smart predictions. So it's giving me the next possible words that would come up in a sentence like this. So I'm going to put is, and we'll type C, I, and here's my name. Now, if I didn't know what these words said, we have the speech bubble next to Sarah. It. I can tap Cindy, the speech bubble for the auditory feedback. I found my name, Cindy. I put a period. Dot. Cindy. My name is Cindy. So in the settings, I have it set to speak the sentence. We can go into the settings on the preferences, and we can adjust if we want it to speak the word as we type, speak the keys as we type, which I think is sometimes distracting, speak the sentence as you type, can have it do spell check, word prediction. I can adjust the rate of speech. I'm going to turn it up just a little bit, and we'll go back in. Now, I've already written that sentence, but I want to hear it again to help me with editing. My name is Cindy. Okay, you can hear the speech rate was a little bit faster. So that is the basic word prediction. The next thing I want to show you is we're going to go back to the home page, and we're going to go into the custom keyboards. Here you see I have a couple of folders, a couple of different keyboards, and you can store multiple keyboards in a folder and assign them to a notepad. Now, if I were to go back to my notepad and click the settings and keyboards, I can assign that template. Now I can swipe and scroll through the keyboards. Here's my custom keyboard of I would like. So we have words entered in You can see it's not spacing. I did that deliberately when I created the keyboard because I wanted the students to learn word spacing while they're typing. So they'll enter a word, I, space, would, space, like,
to, play.
And I didn't enter words,
I would
so we
like to
can
play.
swipe. Didn't mean to put a period there. Swipe to the regular keyboard. And now I can start a word. B, A. How about baseball?
Baseball.
I would like to play
Baseball.
baseball. Period.
Baseball. I would like to play baseball.
Okay. So now, that is the word prediction. That shows the custom keyboards. Now we're going to go into keyboard customization. And this is where you can create a keyboard. Here I have a couple of different things created already. I did a Pledge of Allegiance keyboard. Now I'm going to show you how to create a custom keyboard. From the home page, we're going to touch the keyboard tab. I'm going to touch the plus to create a new keyboard. Open up that keyboard. Now we are in the keyboard creating window. We have the option of choosing the color of text. We can change the color of our keys. We can change the color background. For a vision student, they always say yellow, black text on yellow. So I'm going to have black text on yellow with a gray background. Now we can change the size of our keys with our tools here of joining a key. So if I highlight two keys, I can join them. Now I have two larger keys. I can create a much larger window by joining the four keys. So now let's highlight a key and we can add text. Let's do a phrase. I like. I like. Now in our large key, let's add a photo. We can go to our iPad library, we can take a picture with the camera, or we can go to their Pixabay and do a search. Let's put in dog. Let's see what we get. He's cute, so we added a picture. Now let's go back and highlight that key again and add text and write dogs. So here I have created a sentence starter, I like. We have the word dogs. We could continue to add and adjust this keyboard, but now I'm going to go back in and let's tap the word to name the keyboard. I'm going to call it I like. And done. So here we have our new keyboard, I like. So now I'm going to go back into my notepad. Here's my new notepad that we started. I'm going to go to settings and keyboards, and I'm going to assign my I like keyboard. Let's go
Baseball.
down a line.
Like.
Okay, there's a little trick there. Again, I did not put a space after my words, so the student has to learn to use the space bar. Dogs. It's always beneficial to add a
Dogs. I like dogs.
A period, but you can double tap on the space line. So here you can see how you can create a custom keyboard with phrases and with picture support.